So here we are, guys. Forgive my barely tidy space here, but this is the setup. Okay, this is the entire setup, and I basically try to work with what I got already at home, and I'll take you through. So outside of the PC, which I just showed you, so that's where the PC is. What you see is my stand there. That's just two stools. We had these two IKEA stools or side tables that I just basically stuck. I'm like, instead of getting something different, just get one of those. And what I did was also get a small monitor. Now, some people, if you have a TV, for example, you could try that, but I would recommend getting an actual gaming monitor so you can get the perfect quality of pictures whenever you're playing the game rather than a pixelated quality. So that's why I went with just a normal gaming monitor, and I've got an Acer here, and also my actual desk that I used to work, I've got an Asus. Now you can see that the game is playing on this end, but not on this. I'm still figuring that crap out, but hopefully we'll be able to make that transition properly. Now, but the cool thing is, you see right now I'm actually hooked up to a Cessna 172 with a G1000. That's a G1000, and that's where this comes in handy. So I would have my G1000 panel here, just like I would have in the airplane, and I've got all the touches and things like that. And this I got from Real Sim Gear. So they make a perfect replica of this. So say, for example, I wanted to, in a normal airplane, if I wanted to go to, say, from French Valley to Camarillo, I just hit my direct to button. I put in my airport, information, or my airport code here. So let's say we're going to, actually let's go to El Monte Airport, KEMT. So I hope you guys can see that. Let me get the camera closer.